Hi, I am Rasi Babu. My register number is CR15CS062. Here I am going to explain my 10th program for networking, that is packet capture and traffic analysis with wireshark. Here the questions are given. Examine the using wireshark, capture a packet for accessing the website. First question is examine the frame for first DNS pack sent by the client. So here we have to go to open wireshark legacy, and when you have to connect Wi-Fi, then start. We have to choose one um, a website which we want to access. So I open courses, then it will show the time, source, destination, protocol, and the info, etc. So we have to filter based on DNS. So it's filtered based on DNS. Now we can from here we have to answer for these questions. So identify the MAC and IP address from the client. This is sent by the client. So here it will show the IP address, MAC address, etc. So here I given the IP addresses 7A here 7A73 B409 A4E2. The MAC address is given, then IP address, that is internet protocol version is 4, source is 10.2.30.204, destination address is 192.168.0.111. What is the content of type field Ethernet frame? Here it is given. So given the answers IPv4 into 0 into 0 800. Then second question is examine the IP header for the first DNS packet sent by the client. In the IP header for the first DNS packet, what is the header length? What is the total packet length? Here it is given the header length and total packet length. The header length is 20 byte and total length is 62. Identify the protocol type field with the number and type of protocol payload, that is UDP 17. Then examine the UDP header for first DNS packet sent by the client. Identify the client ephemeral proto number and server well-known port number. What type of application layer is used in the here? User datagram protocol. Here user datagram protocol. Then the source port is 49158. Destination port is 53. So here it is given. Here it is given. Then the next question is in the internet protocol version is 4, source is 10.2.30.204, destination is 192.168.0.111. Then here all is given. The fourth question is identify examine the DNS query message in the DNS packet sent by the client. What field indicate whether the message is query and domain name system? Domain name system, it will indicate the query. Then flag is here it is given. Then what information is carried in the body of the query? Domain name system, here it is given. Then what is the query transaction ID? Transaction ID is 0 into 2F0F. Identify the field that carry the type and class of the query. www.google.co.in type A class in. Here it is given. Then again consider the packet that carries DNS response about the query. What should be the Ethernet and IP address of the packet? That is, here it is given. This question it is given. Then what is the size of IP packets and UDP datagram carry the response. That is, total length is 118, length is UDP length is 198. Then identify the frame carries first TCP segment, three-way handshake that set up the connection between HTTP client server. Here that is given there. Given here. Here it is given. Then what is the length of TCP segment? Here, this is also given. What is the initial sequence number of the segment client server? Then initial window size, hexa character containing sign flag bit. It is given. Then identify the frame that carries second segment three-way handshake. This is also given here, the three-way handshake. Then we have to, before examine the capture package, specify the values of following source in the frame. These all are given here. Then acknowledge the number of TCP segment transaction control protocol. Source port is 60545, destination port is 443, sequence is 1, acknowledgement is 1, length equal to 0. Then what is the length of TCP segment? This is given in the wireshark. Then identify the frame carries HTTP get message, examine the flag bit, that is length is 363. Using wireshark capture ping protocol, examine the series of ICPM packets. Here I did the ping and we got the answer. Source 10.2.20.82, distance is 192.168.0.101. Then ICPM message by message type, that is given type 8, echo ping request, identify 1. Then what are the source and destination IP packets that carries first ICPM echo reply. What are the protocol type? That is Internet Protocol version 4, source is 10.2.28.82, this is 192.168.0.101. Then the 10th question is, using wireshark capture trace route protocol and examine the series of the packets. Here I did that. Then we get Internet Protocol version 4, source is 10.2.29.192, distance is 46.28.47, then 115. Time to leave is 1. Similarly, we can do this. Then the first question is list the sequence of source IP address packets that carry ICPM time exceed message. That is listed here. So this is the program. This is the way to solve the program. Solve a problem in wireshark. Thank you.